I want to show you guys how I remove my makeup. So this is the makeup look I have for the day, and now it's time to remove the makeup. There are two things I love using to remove my makeup. I either use coconut oil. This is what coconut oil, 100% coconut oil is what I normally use to remove my makeup. I picked up this vitamin A cleansing oil that I picked up. I have been also using this one and I really loved it. So I want to show you guys how I use this vitamin A cleansing oil to remove my makeup. So after removing my makeup with the vitamin A cleansing oil, I have my towel here, which I'm going to be soaked with warm water, and that's what I'm going to use to remove it. And then after that, I'm going to be using my face wash. But because this face wash is finished, I ordered a new one. It's not yet here. I'm going to be using this one. It's for the kids. This is the kids face wash. So mine is finished. I'm going to be using this one for the kids. And then after that, I'm going to be using this advanced night repair. This is the second sample that I received from the Dukas. So I've been trying this thing out the last few weeks just to see if I want to get the bigger container because it's quite an expensive product. So I'm lucky that I get 2 mini bottles like this to try out, and this is the second one. So I'm going to be using this on my face after washing my face. This is what I'm going to be using for nights, and with my Vaseline on my lips and underneath my eyes. So that is the product I'm going to be using on my face after removing all my makeup. Just want to explain that quickly. Now let's get into removing the makeup. I have lukewarm water, warm water running on the towel that I have, and I'm just going to pour the products on the oil on my hand, and you're just going in like this and just massage the oil on your skin. Just massage. I love using oil to remove my makeup. Some people be like, oh, my skin is very oily, it's not good to use oil to remove my makeup. So everybody, to each his own. For me, this is something I love because I have a sensitive skin and I have an allergic skin. So using all of these makeup products in the market, these makeup removing products in the market, doesn't really do well for me actually. Some of them really break my skin out, make my skin looks really bad. So because of that, I just stick to the natural way that I know to, which is using oil to remove my makeup. I either use coconut oil or olive oil. And now I have this cleansing makeup cleansing oil that I have been using for the past week that I really love. I haven't noticed any crazy changes on my face, so I'm super happy for that. So yeah, I'm just going to wash my hands to remove that makeup, and I'm going to run the towel underneath the lukewarm water. And now I'm going to take this towel and just wipe all this makeup off. Just wipe everything off. It's so easy. This for me, this way is very easy than using all of this makeup removal wipes that will end up breaking out my skin or make my skin look a certain way. So just really go down my neck, even though I don't really put a lot of makeup on my neck. But of course, when you do contour, you put powder. I just like to go and do this. I didn't have any eyelashes, but I put on mascara, so I really like to go in and clean. So this is what the towel look like. I'm just going to use a soap to wash it because I like to repeat this process for the second time. So I'm going to use a soap and wash this very quickly. I hope I'm able to fit this video in this TikTok 10 minutes video list because I put 10 minutes recording. So wash the towel very quickly. Okay, Now the towel is clean. I'm going to repeat the process again quickly. Same. Repeat it very quickly. You're gonna be very fast. I want this video to be 10 minutes long. Okay, so now let's take the towel again. Lukewarm towel. The towel is warm. I'm gonna repeat the same process. So you guys see, for the second time, it's not really that much anymore. And the reason why I like to use warm water on the towel, so that it can open my pores and any makeup can really clean the makeup really nice. Reasons why I love using the lukewarm water. So as you guys can see, the second time there's barely nothing on it. So yeah, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put water on my hand. I'm going to see if I have anything left on my own personal face wash. I'm going with this into my skin. I really like to layer this up, because tomorrow I'm going to do, like, I got this face scrub that I want to use tomorrow, so I'm not going to be using any exfoliation brush on my skin today. I'm just going to use my finger and just get rid of all this, because if I use any exfoliation brush on my skin tomorrow again, I'm going to be doing some face scrub. It's gonna be too much. My skin is very sensitive, so reasons why today I'm just doing this, and then tomorrow I'll go in with this new face scrub / face mask that I got, that I'm really excited to try. Yeah, quickly wash. I'm washing my face with lukewarm water, not too warm, not too cold, just in between. It feels so good when you take all your makeup off your face. Your skin feels really refreshing. So what I'm doing, I'm going to wash that same towel. I've washed it for the second time. So I'm going to wash it again, just to remove every single makeup on the towel. And I'm going to run it with warm water. When I say warm water, really hot water. I can barely squeeze it. That's how hot it is. You guys want to see the steam coming out? You guys see the steam? I have 1 more minute. I think I can do this. So this is it. It's just for this quick video. If you guys want to see more like detailed skincare, let me know in the comment box. But for now, this is it. Skin is looking good. Take my Vaseline, moisturize my lip. I'm using Vaseline for underneath my eyes, just to keep my under eyes. This is something I've been doing. I just love doing it. So do what is best for you. Well, I notice when I do this, when I wake up in the morning, my eyes feels really good. It doesn't feel puffy. I don't look tired, and I love that. Now we're going in with the night cream. The video cut off. I was above the 10 minutes. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this, and I just like to press it into my skin like this. Just do like the pressing motion. This is what I have been doing for the last couple of days since I have been trying this product. And this is my skin. This is what my skin is looking like. I really love the way my skin is looking. The Vaseline that I use underneath my eyes, I also like to go a little bit on my neck, because sometimes people don't know your neck. You really have to, there are few places that when you get old, when you're getting older, which of course getting older is a beautiful thing. I love getting older, because there are some people who don't really have the opportunity to grow old, and so getting older is not something that you should be ashamed of in any shape or form. You should be very grateful that you're getting older, because you're getting a chance, an opportunity to see a beautiful day. But one thing I wanted to say is, like, I'm washing the towel again because I'm going to reuse it again tomorrow, so I like to clean it immediately I'm done. One thing I love about getting older is what I was saying about getting older. When you're getting older, there are a few places where you actually notice people getting older, especially dark skin, you know, especially black people. You don't really see wrinkles on our faces easily, but the neck, your neck will show when you're getting older. Your neck, your hand. So for me, whenever I'm using any products on my face that I know is like a good skincare product, I also want to focus on my neck. And also my hand is somewhere where I have this thing where I always have SPF cream. I put SPF on my hand. Like right now, I know the night is over. Meaning what I mean, the night is over. I don't have anything that I'm going to be doing. I'm not going to be washing anything. I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm ready for the night. I'm just going downstairs to watch TV till I get ready for bed. This is the SPF I get. I got this for the skin, but I didn't really like the way it look on the skin when you're going out of the house. So I have been using this a lot at night on my hand. So because of course it's very good to use SPF on your hand, and it helps protect your hand. Your hand looks, especially on dark skin person, your hand will look older when you're getting older. But if you protect your hand, especially also when you are doing these fake nails, you're going to do your nails and you are putting, okay, I take a little bit too much, but it will dry. You are going to put your hand underneath this LED light. It's very, very important you have SPF on your hand. It's very important you rub SPF, and this is something that I've been doing just at night extra. Also in the morning when I'm going to work, I rub a lot of this on my hand, and just give it some couple of minutes. It will soak into the skin. I thought let me just share that with you guys. But this is how I remove my makeup, and this is what my skin is looking like. You know, I still have there. It's getting better. My skin is looking really beautiful, you know. This is it. I hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. I still have couple of uses. I still have till here. So I'm having here at this line here. So I still have a couple of use to go to really see if this is something that I want to purchase. But for now, I just want to give it a try and see how it goes. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support, and peace out. Bye.